ABC4 News at 10 starts now.
Good evening and welcome to ABC4 News at 10 o'clock. I'm Sarah Murphy. Brian McElhatton has the night off. Today, 8 international Utah students filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Homeland Security, saying they got their visas revoked without due process. And in another major update tonight, we're hearing from one BYU PhD student who had his visa revoked and will now no longer be deported. ABC4's Mackenzie Diaz is live in Mill Creek with the latest. Mackenzie, tell us what's going on.
Well, this week we heard from a BYU student who got his CVIS registration revoked. Well, today we heard the good news that it has been reinstated.
Suguru Onda, wife and 5 kids, have been living in fear the past week because Onda's student and exchange visitor information system records were terminated, giving them 15 days to leave. But within days, he was reinstated with U.S. citizenship.
We're so excited about it.
Onda is back on track to graduate next year.
Completed my PhD here and want my kids to finish their school year as well.
His reinstatement comes hours after a lawsuit on behalf of 8 other international students in Utah was filed against the Department of Homeland Security by local immigration attorneys, saying the DHS violated students' Fifth Amendment due process rights. The lawsuit asks for temporary restraining orders to be issued.
Basically, we were asking the judge to look and see whether or not the SEVIS termination was appropriate. If the judge finds that the SEVIS termination was not appropriate, we're asking him to reinstate the SEVIS.
Craig is one of the few lawyers on the lawsuit representing Onda.
He deserved something good.
Craig doesn't know the exact reason for the reinstatement, saying it could be the amount of media attention to Suguru's case or the recent lawsuit. Either way, Suguru gets to stay in the States.
There are so many other students who have a similar situation. I really hope they have a really good result.
And Craig says his goal is to get all 8 of the students back and reinstated in the U.S. so that they can complete school here. Reporting in Mill Creek, Mackenzie Diaz, ABC4 News.